Today, we will learn how to add rooms for rent to a WordPress website using the Kinsley theme. Go to the Accommodation section, click on Accommodation, then click the Edit button and change the name. Next, go to the Capacity section, adjust the settings as needed, change the featured image, and add amenities. Check or uncheck options as needed. Then publish. Now the second step is to edit with Elementor. Click the button that says Edit with Elementor. As you can see, Elementor is now open. Please follow my instructions step by step.
Follow and subscribe to Optimax Agency for more technical and informative videos.